ain't gotta play games with me. It's automatic. You know it's automatic. Say what you mean. You ain't gotta fake.
Bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up.
Hey YouTube, I am Lime Green. Today we have another human hair 100% hair wig review. This is by the Sensationnel Factory Direct 10A Unprocessed Bundle Import. This is the box that it comes in, and this is the front of it. This is the 10A Unprocessed Bundle Import. Once again, so yeah, I'm gonna jump into the specs of this wig and then give you the pros and cons and all that. So please stay tuned because you're gonna want to know the pros and cons of this wig. Okay, yeah, now let's jump into this video. So let's jump into the specs. This hair is a 10A unprocessed, and this hair is so gorgeous, y'all. I'm falling in love by looking at it. It's just phenomenal. I love that. It feels so healthy and all that. So when it says 10A bundle and all that, I honestly believe it. Look at it, guys. And I believe this wig is about 18 inches. And I'm also going to talk to you guys about the parting and the lace parting. Please stay tuned for that, because before you buy this wig, I do not want you commenting saying, oh, you didn't tell me this. Girl, you better stay and to the end, because yeah, I got some tea on that. So the texture on here is, once again, it's nice. It's a 10A unprocessed and all that. This wig does come in 3 different colors. The color that I have this in is the natural. You can also buy this in a 613, a natural black, or a natural. The color I'm rocking again is natural. Tangling, I do not have any tangling with this wig. I do not have any shedding. This wig is so beautiful and all that. So let's see, what else do I want to mention? So for the pros for this wig, the hair is absolutely gorgeous. The cap size can fit all head types. I will be installing an elastic band. I still have a lot of work done for me to actually call myself wearing this out in public. It may look fine on camera, but it's still some stuff that I believe that needs to be done in order for me to feel comfortable with it. So, okay. When I first got this wig, it was a huge line, like the gap, it looked like it was plucked too wide. I was like, oh my god. So I'm not sure if that was like a factory defect or whatnot, but I fixed that by, the part was big enough for me to move hair over to camouflage it. But yes, the parting space on here was plucked too wide. But luckily with my skills, I was able to do that. So if you ladies do get the wig and it's like that, don't fear or anything or nothing like that. It can be fixed. You just have to move the hair over and all that good jazzy stuff to get it like that. So don't panic if your unit is like that. So that is pretty much my only con with this wig. This wig is very pretty. I'm so happy I got it. I think I paid like under $100. And for a wig like this and the quality, that's like A1 good deal. Oh, I just remembered my other con. So my other con is, now when I first tried this wig on, my hair was laying flat and it still gave me like, it still looked like a hump. Now right now I can give this wig a little bit of leeway because my ponytail is not as flat as it was when I first had it flat, gel down. I just washed it and all that. it was still giving me like humpish vibes. Now I went in already and I applied the hot comb and all that. So I'm going to try by French braiding my hair, actually, you know, in small braids, and seeing if it's going to lay flat, which it will. It makes sense, it's logic. So yeah, that is my only two cons with the wig. So if you do get it, luckily you won't have to get the parting space to where how mine looked it. I'm so mad that I did not record that. Oh, but I bought this wig probably like 2 months ago. I'm thinking it's been more than a month. So other than that, than those two cons, this is a great wig to purchase. I don't think that you should not purchase it. I think you should. The quality of this hair is nice, and I love human hair lace fronts because all you have to do basically is just put them on and go. Well, lace front frontal, you can just put them on and go, but most of the time you have to glue it down for it to look right. And I'm so happy that they came out with a lace front. So that is all the things that I have to mention to you guys and all that. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I see you guys later. Bye.